This is the Fiat Hitachi FH150W.3 excavator, which is a 15.3-ton machine with a Cummins engine powering this model with up to 90 kilowatts or 120 horsepower. FH150W.3 is classified as a medium-sized machine in the wheel excavator category. The dimensions of the model are 8.28 m x 2.5 m x 3.01 m. This is JCB's JS200 crawler excavator with the innovation of replacing the conventional bucket with an extremely strong trident for raking the soil.
With outstanding power, productivity, efficiency, comfort, safety and ease of maintenance, the JS2000 plows the entire field in just a few hours.
The Kodiak weighs 62 tons and is used to erect and remove obstacles as well as clear minefields. They can be used worldwide in extreme temperatures and weather conditions.
That is almost certainly powered by the 35-litre V12 diesel engine.
The D8 Der Pionierpanzer II is a combat engineering vehicle developed by the Bundeswehr Engineering Unit. The DAX II armored engineer vehicle now has a 195 degrees telescopic arm with wheel loader. The efficiency of the excavator is 140 m³/h, while the efficiency of the bulldozer is 270 m³/h. The overturned Leibherr crane is being pulled up by bulldozers using cables. A truck veered off the road and got stuck on the side of the road. The Leopard 1 tank tried to pull it out but failed. They sent another truck. It will tow support for the Leopard 1 tank to rescue the stranded truck. Everything is ready. The truck is in a stable position to provide the best traction support for Leopard 1. And this support is really effective. The Leopard tank and the truck successfully pulled the stuck truck out of there. The combination of the Model 1720 Savannah stump remover and the John Deere 1050 dozer is the most effective method for converting plantations to stump-free conditions. Their combined capacity is about 40 acres per day with 2 tractors, 1 base tractor and 1 rotary rake. This Fiat Ali's at 14C Bulldozer is equipped with an additional blade on the side so it can be converted to agricultural purposes. A crawler tractor convoy of 5 Fiat Ali's bulldozers pulling a backhoe to dig a trench about 6 feet deep. This is soft ground. This method will prevent the ground from being affected too much and still bring work efficiency. In Germany, road transport of goods that do not have suitable dimensions or weight is called large and heavy transport. Heavy transport can only be carried out between 9 a.m. Monday and 3 p.m. Friday. With a width of up to 3.2 meters, there is little traffic during the day. It is generally approved that deliveries cannot be made between 6 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. and between 3:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. Fagioli designed and made this technical proposal for small coupled trolleys to be able to transport this huge package weighing 4,500 tons. This is a Scania RV8's Watra 10X for heavy haulage truck, Nootboom Pendle X trailer.